Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno 8T and let me show you how to block a number here. So at first open your camera app, then pick the contact that you wish to block, tap on more icon then and select block numbers. So if you truly want to block this number, confirm it by tapping on block. And that's it. From now on, this particular contact will not be able to reach you. You can also set some general rules, tap on more icon to do it, select settings and click on block numbers. And as you can see here, you can smoothly block all unknown colors, and this is it. Obviously you can also add some number manually here, so if you don't have some number in your contact list, you can provide it here and smoothly block it. Then tap on cross icon to remove it from blacklist. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.